Hey, what's up guys, Rajat here from World of VFX. Welcome back to the channel once again. I know it's been a while that I uploaded my last video, but that was an event that my another channel called VFX World got hacked. But luckily right now it's recovered, so yes, I come back. So first of all, today we'll talk about physics simulations inside of Unreal Engine, and this will be a lot of amazing tutorial coming up in my list, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, so Unreal Engine is opened, so now go to file, new level, basic, and create. So this is a basic scene. So before moving forward, you just need to go to this Epic Games Marketplace and you need to install this physical layout tool. This is completely free. Simple click to install to Unreal Engine and it will install. And very simple, very short and sweet, simple plugin, and this will do a lot of physics simulations. After installation, just come here, go to settings and go to plugins, and here you need to type a layout, and right now you can find this called physical layout. Simply check this on and restart your Unreal Engine. Alright, so right now once you do all the steps, let's start. So I'll create a very basic primitive over here. So let's start with another shape. So let's say plane or cube. So starting with a cube, and this will basically our base. Inside this base we do our simulation steps and all. After that I'll just apply a material, basic material. So let's add anything over here. So this one is pretty cool. Also you can use a lot of other default materials provided by Unreal Engine. Alright, this looks nice. Now we need to simulate some primitives. So these are some primitives which I have already downloaded from Megascan. You can simply scale this up because this is very small. So the basic problem is like we need to make a collision object. So doing this all the steps, you need to make the both objects should be applied collision properly. Like this object and this object already need to be applied collision properties so that it will collide with each other. That's the most important part of the video. So by default it will not have any collision objects, so I'm just deleting this. So just double click on this mesh and this will look like this only. And you can find this called collisions and go to auto convex collision and press apply. So what it will do, it will create a very basic low poly model, just like a bug basically. This right now yeah, this is a very low poly convection. You can see the green lines kind of wireframe. You can increase this so it can create some detailed mesh, but forget about it because we are doing a very random collisions over here. So right now press apply and press save to this. This is the most important part, and you need to do the same steps for other materials as well. Like go to collisions, auto convex collision and apply and make sure save. Same for this one as well. So once you're done, you don't need to do this base material like as the collision object because Unreal Engine, the default materials already have this previously, so no need to do. So now once you install the plugin and enable this, you can see this right over here. Simply click this and this is the plugin, very basic one. So what you need to do, go to the paint place and you need to add the objects over here. You can simply drag and drop. You can add more objects, simply drag and drop. So what happened, once you click over here, the objects will pop up, but you need to do some settings. So first of all, minimum distance, let's make it to 0.1. And after that the normal distance, leave it like that only. And now the minimum position randomness, so let's make it to 160 by 160, and the minimum rotation somewhere around let's say 100 by 100 by 100, and the random rotations should be always filled, okay, because it means that all the objects will rotate on their own space randomly. Now the minimum and maximum scale, just log this and let's make it to 0.1 by 0.6. And now once you click, the objects will move randomly on the space because there is no gravity. So just check this place with the gravity option, and now once you click you can see the collision. It's really satisfying once you do all this kind of collision steps. See this, it's looking really amazing. Now once you can see some small ones because this actual objects are very small in the real life. Like once you open this, you remember it's a very small object, so that's why these things are happened. So always choose your materials properly before doing all the steps. Also you can decrease the shapes right from here. Once you decrease, you can see it will manage, like see both materials are same right here. Alright, so now once you do this, you can simply turn this off as well. Like if you don't want this right now, you can simply delete this from here so that only this material will work. So if you want to increase the size, so let's make it to 0.5 and let's try with this and let's see. Oh my god, it's looking really satisfying, just look at this. Okay, I'll just increase it a little bit more, like 1 and 1 also, and now see the big chunks. So basically it will collide with each other. It can create a lot of particle simulations, and this is really fascinating while you're doing all the stuffs. So once you're happy, like after doing all the stuffs, once you're happy, you can export this to any softwares, or you can make this as a preset. So first of all, if you go to this from selection mode, Unreal Engine will crash. So first of all, you need to bake this. So simply select all to place actors like this, and if you can find out some objects will popped up in a space, you can simply enable gravity just for the safe side. And now need to bake the selected instance to mesh. Depends on your system, it will take some time, but now it's fine. Now you can go back to the selection tab, and you can find this comes in actor mode, so that you can move this to anywhere just randomly. So let's try, and send me on Instagram, details are below, and let's see what's happened. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking World of VFX.